Megan lost her phone, and apparently this like family was guarding it for me, and they like stayed there and wait for me to come back to take my phone.
were really nice though.
Yeah, they were so nice. Valentine's wish is to have a good guy.
Valentine's wish is for a man to not do me dirty. Why do you have to do that? You know who you are.
She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She poppin'.
The fit. We're going on the Roaring Rapids, so we bought raincoats so we won't get completely drenched.
Holy sh**.
Our mystery minis. Oh, fingerboard. Finger skateboards. Oh, this. What is this? Did you get this? No. This thing came out of it. So pretty.
This one. Who's that? It's the wrapper, I think. Yeah, I got the wrapper.
Which means mine is just a black one. What? I don't want a black one. No! I want a colored one.
Okay, which one did you get? This one?
Yeah. It's okay, guys.
She rockin' topless, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. Test me, why you wanna test me? You so sexy, come on in. Messy, wet up like a jet ski. Work it out and ride it like a 10-speed. My little baby.
Round 3. Donut.
Oh, the knot.
We're going on a water ride. Aftermath.
LOL, class. No, that's all wet.
We're going through a tunnel to go to another roller coaster. There are like no lines.
Giving Kate to lovers from Avatar. Secret tunnel. Tunnel through the mountains. Secret. His name because every time he asks someone they say 你是谁 as I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Do I say it to him?
As you can see, she's not okay.
He's on her spam.